Good morning, friends. You are most welcome to Thinkai's channel. Today, we are going to discuss Practicing Anthropology Mani 003, in which we are going to discuss Practicing Anthropology and Health, Unit 1 Health and Culture. And our topic is Syndromes of Culture. Let us begin the topic. A syndrome refers to a group of symptoms consistently occurring together and in the context of culture. The idea of culture bound syndromes has been popular for many years. There are some universal perceptions of health and disease where all the human societies possess some common consideration. And at the same time, there are also some social perceptions unique to a particular society. Dash 1986. Cultural context influences how suffering is caused, experienced, and expressed. This fact is clear from the preceding discussions. From a practicing anthropological perspective, it is important to recognize that as one moves along the chain, cause, experience, expression, consequence at each step, culture makes a progressively greater contribution to a person's suffering. This sequence helps to comprehend the interrelationship between culture and suffering. Let us take into consideration the health culture among the Garos, a matrilineal tribe inhabiting the northeastern part of India. In Garo, perception and illness involves a change in the state of being. Example feelings, thoughts, and self definition, which is seen and labeled as discontinuous with routine everyday affairs and believed to be caused by socio-culturally defined agents or circumstances. The Garos, particularly inhabiting the rural areas, are of the opinion that the concept of well-being stands for a state of being healthy, happy, and prosperous. A healthy physique or beautiful features or muscular power may not be a criterion for good health. In their opinion, the ability or capacity to do manual work, carrying out of normal day's routine, and having a clear eyesight and memory is the sign of being healthy. If, on the other hand, a person is unable to carry out the normal routine and if subsequently the amount of food intake falls to utmost or almost a possible nil, then the person may be considered to be ill or sick or to be unhealthy. We can now understand that beliefs and practices of the people help us to understand the various aspects of health, and these traits are deeply rooted in their socio-cultural matrix. The concepts or ideas regarding disease and illness are basically biological, but these are loosely connected with socio-cultural circumstances. Therefore, the pattern of behavior and belief of people relating to health and disease are to be accounted for in study of health. Syndromes of culture, which also include certain culture bound syndromes, see subsection 1.4, can thereby facilitate the understanding of dynamics of the diffusion of the health practices and the rationale behind their acceptance.